Okay, Derek, here's a little demo on how I'm packing my pack and what I've got going on inside it. First of all, the pack that I have is a Z-Packs Arc Haul. I believe it's a 58 or 62 liter. Published weight on that is 24 ounces. Okay. Next is going to be my Big Agnes Fly Creek UL2. 2-man tent, but it's a very comfortable 1-man tent. The tent itself weighs about 1 pound 10 ounces. The poles and stakes weigh another 12 ounces, so that puts me at just right about 2 pounds. And then my footprint weighs in at 6 ounces, so I'm about 2 pounds 6 ounces for a tent. Very roomy, very spacious. That tent could go at the very bottom of my pack. Next thing I have is my helium, Marmot helium sleeping bag. It's a down sleeping bag, rated for 20 degrees. That weighs 2 pounds 5 ounces. It fits inside a 8-liter stuff sack. That'll go next inside my bag, and you'll see that I just put those in sideways really nicely. They just fit right in there. Next thing that's going to go in is my clothes. Early spring, late fall, I'll be carrying a pair of gloves, knit hat. I have 2 pair of tops and bottoms on thermals. I have a couple pairs of wool socks, and then I have my REI Puffy. The reason why, if it was later on in the summer, I'd only be bringing 1 pair of thermals to sleep in. But if I'm ever caught out in the rain in early spring or late or fall, I want to be able to have that extra layer to put on when I'm hiking if it gets really cold. So that all goes into a 8-liter stuff sack. And that weighs there's about 3 pounds 2 ounces on clothes. And that's all the clothes I'm bringing except for what I'm going to be wearing. And that goes right in. The next thing that goes in is going to be my cook kit. I've got me a nice little folding spoon. I don't like sporks because you can't get to the bottom with a spork. I have an MSR titanium pot with a lid, and inside that I've got a Sea to Summit cup so I can drink my coffee while I'm still eating or boiling water. Got a BRS stove. These things are like 4 grams. Got a small fuel canister and a lighter in there. That all fits nicely into there. Sometimes I bring my long titanium spoon. Depends on how much I really think I'm going to be eating my freeze-dried food. But it's about the same weight, just harder to pack. That weighs in at 14, 15 ounces. That'll go in there nicely just on top here. Then I have my Neo Air X-Lite pad, and I also have a Sea to Summit pillow in here as well. The full weight of that is 15 ounces. That goes in also up there to the top. Put it on the side of the cook set so the cook set doesn't bang around a lot. Next thing I have is basically my essentials. In here I've got some rope in case I need to hang a bear bag, my Black Diamond headlamp, TP or baby wipes, 100% DEET, and my first aid toilet kit. We got ibuprofen, Benadryl, my de-sting kit, some band-aids, wipes, moleskin, toothbrush, toothpaste, some tooth flosser, some soap, and an extra lighter there. That's all I'm carrying as far as essentials and stuff. I like having it all in one bag because if I'm going to hang a bear bag, this will go in with my bear bag because it's got things that smell like toothpaste. Bears like toothpaste too. Got that into another waterproof bag. That there is weighing 1 pound 8 ounces, and it just goes right there on the top. So, got my rain gear. I just put it in a bag just to keep it kind of organized. That's another pound for the rain gear. I'll probably just throw that out here, right out front, just right out there. And then I got my food. Got enough food here for 3 days. We got a couple freeze-dried food, a whole bunch of bars, some oatmeal, some dried fruit. Gotta have my coffee. Really, the coffee is the only reason I bring a stove, just so I can have hot coffee. Now this is what I'm going to pack it in. This is an Ursack. This is a bear-proof Kevlar bag. They guarantee it not to be able to be torn by a bear. It is semi-rodent proof as well, so I don't necessarily have to hang my food. It is a little heavier than a stuff sack, but it is lighter than a bear bag. I mean, a bear canister. And in most parts, it qualifies as a bear canister. Now, some of this food I'll be carrying in my pockets when I'm traveling, just so I have easy access. But that's just going to go right here in the top of my bag. The other thing I haven't put in yet is my water bladder, my platypus water bladder. I've got a couple of these. This is a 2 liter. I don't necessarily fill them up all the way if I've got water coming to me. But that weighs in at right about 6 ounces. And now go in there too. Of course, it's empty right now. But we're just gonna put that in here right now. The Z-Pack is rated. It is a waterproof bag. A lot of people will go ahead and put a trash compactor bag in there to give it one more layer of protection. Cinch that down. My poles go here on the outside. Or I can mount them down below if I wanted to. Just depends on how many water bottles I'm carrying. Okay. And the last piece of the puzzle is my Sawyer mini water filter with a bag. Again, I don't carry a lot of water with me if there's water. I also bring a little small water bottle. So that's my setup there And so let's go see how much this thing weighs right now. Uh, 188. And 210. So I'm weighing in right at 22 pounds for basically a self-contained 3-day trip. So Derek, that's what I got. And kind of catch the weights off of there if you want to write them down. Anyway, that's what I got. And the pack looks pretty nice when it's all done. Nice and compact. Nothing really hanging out. Everything's stored nicely. And that's it.